Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord mic not working on Windows, and in this video I will show a couple of solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your sound settings here and make sure that your output and input device is the right one that you're using and your volume is not muted here, right? And once you do that, then you can go to device properties, and as you can see here, you can test your microphone and see if it's really working or not. And also as well, I highly advise you to test your microphone with another app such Facebook, maybe Messenger or Skype or whatsoever, and look if there is problem in there as well or not, right? And after you do that, then you need to go to sound control panel here, and under the playback, make sure that you basically locate your headphones or other audio services that you're using and set to default and disable other here as well. And then what you need to do here is to double click on it here and make sure to select this one, use this device, and then make sure that they have the right levels here. And on advanced, make sure that these options is selected, allow applications to make exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority, right? And after you do that, do same with recording. Locate your microphone that you're using. For me, it's, as you can see here, Blue Snowball. Set to default and disable all other here by just basically pressing disable here, and then double click on it. Go to general, make sure that use this device is enabled here. Make sure that, as you can see here, listen to this device is enabled, and then on levels, make sure that it has the good amount of, as you can see here, level here. I like to set up from 70 to 80, something in that area. And on advanced, make sure that allow applications to take exclusive control of this device is on, and this one is on as well, right? And then what you need to do here is to go back on Discord, and here you need to go to the user settings here, and then go to voice and video. Make sure that input and output device is the right one and with the right amount of input volume and output volume. And also you can check your mic here, and then you can modify your input volume here as well. And the next thing that you can do here, you need to go to, as you can see here, under the voice suppression, and basically turn off and see if it's our mic working or not, and then turn it on again. Same with voice activity, as you can see here. Sometimes it can cause the problem here, so what you need to do here is turn off and see if the mic is working or not. And then the next thing that you can do here is to basically go to Task Manager, close your Discord completely here. So it will be here Discord, so close it completely, and from the here close it, and then go to device manager and audio inputs and outputs, and update your microphone driver. So locate your microphone here, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers and look if there is drivers that need to be installed. And if the problem persists, then go to your search, just write check for updates, and update your basically operating system to the latest version if there is an option here for you, and restart your computer. And the last thing, if the problem persists here again, then try to reinstall Discord. So go to apps and features, go to, and of course, and your microphone is working on another apps like Skype or Messenger whatsoever. So go to Discord and uninstall it and install it again, right? So I hope I helped you out, and if I did, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.